My name is Joshua Mugabi. I welcome you to topic 3, transport in humans. We are looking at learning outcome B. Analyze the role of antibodies in vaccination and allergic reactions in relation to human body immunity. We're going to look at learning activity B. Learners search for the structure and the action of antibodies. Discuss and design antibody models and create visual presentation to share with other groups. Search for the mechanism used in rapid test kits to detect infections. In groups, learners make write-ups and present their work to the class plenary. Structure and action of antibodies. Item 1. Understanding antibody structure. During a biology lesson, learners observe diagram of antibodies and notes a characteristic Y shape. Task. Describe the structure of an antibody. Label the parts of an antibody and state their functions. Explain how antibody structure is related to its function. Describe the structure of an antibody. An antibody is a Y-shaped protein, immunoglobulin, produced by plasma cells in response to a specific antigen. Label the parts of an antibody and state their functions. We have the parts, description, and the function. There is the heavy chains, 2 heavy chains, long polypeptide chains. These determine the antibody class. Light chains, 2 of them. These are short polypeptide chains. These help form antigen binding sites. Variable region, the tips of the Y. This binds specifically to antigen. Constant region, the lower part of Y, activates immune response. Hinge region, this is flexible joint, allows binding to antigens at different angles. Explain how antibody structure is related to its function. The variable region allows specific binding to antigens. The hinge region provides flexibility. The constant region enables interaction with immune cells. Structure and action of antibodies. Item 2. Action of antibodies in the immune response. A learner contracts a bacterial infection and recovers after a few days. Task. Explain how antibodies act to neutralize pathogens. State 4 ways antibodies help in defense. Explain how antibodies act to neutralize pathogens. Antibodies bind to antigens, forming antigen-antibody complexes. State 4 ways antibodies help in defense. Mode of action. Neutralization, blocking toxins or viruses. Agglutination, clamping pathogens together. Ozonization, making pathogen for phagocytosis. Complement activation, causing lysis of pathogens. Structure and action of antibodies. Item 3. Rapid test kits and antibody use. Learners observe a malaria or HIV rapid diagnostic test kits used in a health center. Task. State what rapid test kits detect. Explain the mechanism used by the rapid test kits. Explain the role of antibodies in the test. State what rapid test kits detect. Rapid test kits detect specific antigen or antibodies in blood or blood fluids. Explain the mechanism used by rapid test kits. The tests uses immunochromatography, lateral flow technique. Sample moves along a strip by capillary action. If antigen is present, it binds to labeled antibodies. The complex is trapped at the test line, producing a visible color. Explain the role of antibodies in the test. Antibodies on the strip are specific to the pathogen antigen, binding produces a colored line indicating infection. Structure and action of antibodies. Item 4. Interpretation and evaluation. A test shows one line in the control region and none in the test region. Task: interpret the test results. State the importance of the control line. Give one limitation of the rapid test kits. Interpret the test result. The result is negative for the infection. State the importance of the control line. The control line confirms the test worked correctly. Give one limitation of rapid test kits. False positives or negatives may occur. Cannot detect early infections. Marking emphasis. Correctly describe antibody structure. Explain antibody action clearly. Demonstrate practical skills in model design. Explain immunological principles in rapid tests. Communicate findings effectively. Conclusion. Antibodies are specialized proteins with a unique structure that enables them to bind specifically to antigens. Their action underlies immune defense and modern diagnostic techniques such as rapid test kits, which use antigen-antibody interaction for quick disease detection. Thank you for participating in Topic 3, Transport in Humans. We have been looking at Learning Outcome B. Analyze the role of antibodies in vaccination and allergic reactions in relation to human body immunity. We have been looking at learning activities B. Learners search for the structure and action of antibodies and discuss and design antibody models and create visual presentations to share with other groups. Search for the mechanism used in rapid test kits to test infection. In groups, learners make write-ups and present their work to the class plenary. If this has been useful to you, visit me at Mugabi Joshua Biology on YouTube.